Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with myself, James. As always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car, and I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this incredible 420D M Sport Convertible. The car itself is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. You'll also see it comes equipped with the 19-inch 704M alloys that are presented in the original Bi-Orbit Grey. The vehicle itself comes equipped with some very nice optional extras, all of which again I'll show you in a bit more detail. At the front you'll see it's a 2017 plate, so it does also benefit from that lovely facelift. Sitting behind the alloys you'll see there that it's got the M Sport Plus brakes, and of course we've also got the full M Sport Plus package on the car. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the gloss black air breathers, our satin sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, and of course thanks to me having the roof down on the car, first of all we've got that lovely oyster Dakota leather which really stands out very nicely against the darker exterior colour, as you can see there. Moving on towards the interior, we've got the very nice convertible comfort package within the car itself. Included in that you get the heated front seats, you also get the air collar, as you can see there, and of course I'll show you that further on in a moment. We also get the heated M Sport steering wheel. Again, we will take a closer look at that shortly. And the front seats are both electric movement, driver's side is memory, and as I've mentioned they are both heated as well. And as you can see there, hopefully it's coming through okay, everything is in wonderful condition in terms of the interior, and it does work very nicely with the darker exterior colours. Rear seat is the Isofix 2x2 rear bench, and sitting behind there we've got the wonderful wind deflector optional extra. Again, that is of course designed to help reduce some of the wind turbulence that can of course be experienced at higher speeds with the roof down, and again is always a very sought after thing with anything with a metal folding roof. There you can see down here again showing you off those fantastically presented alloys. At the back we've added a rear gloss black rear spoiler and of course a satin rear diffuser on the car. Another nice option on this vehicle is the rear facing reversing camera we have, and again I'll open up the boot and just quickly show you off how much capacity you will find in a 4 Series convertible. And again, it's always a talking point of any convertible vehicle. However, BMW have introduced this very clever button so we can lift the roof out of its storage compartment to show you off just how much space you do have. So once that's all folded up nice and neatly away and out of the way, we lift that open, and there you can see again plenty of storage space along a very clean and tidy area. Closing that back down and everything folds neatly back into its storage tray, as you can see there. And we'll move round towards the other side of the car in just 1 second, and again you'll be able to see that this black sapphire metallic on this car is in fantastic condition and does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. And we'll go on now, take a seat inside and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features, and of course I'll pop the roof up and show you that in action alongside at the end of the video showing you what the car looks like with that roof all the way closed. So the roof itself can be done at speeds at 15 miles an hour, and of course always very useful here in the UK with our sporadic weather changes that we do experience. So of course should you be at a set of traffic lights and the weather does decide to change its mind, it's not a problem, simply pop the roof up. The vehicle itself is covered just over 20,000 miles, as you can see there, a nice low mileage example 420D convertible. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've also got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on this heated M Sport steering wheel. So as I did mention, you simply click this button and then this becomes nice and warm, ideally for when obviously you've got the roof down. It means you can have it down longer, or alternatively in them colder months that we will experience, it means of course you can still use your convertible no matter what the season. Widescreen professional navigation and media, so we get that lovely widescreen there. We've also got real-time traffic updates keeping us on the fastest route possible, Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. And there you can see that fantastic rear facing reversing camera along with front and rear parking sensors. Down here we find the dual climate control along with our switches for the heated seats, and as I did say, here is our buttons for the air collar. So with this activated we will get a very nice warm draft of air come out towards our neck and of course top of the back, keeping us nice and warm again when we've got that roof down. So there is the walk around video guys for the 420D M Sport Convertible here in black sapphire metallic at Your Next Car. I do of course hope you found it useful and enjoyed it. For further information, remember, check out the description box where there'll be a link to our website along with direct contact details for ourselves. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around video, and hopefully you found it useful. Thanks once again, take care, goodbye.